person 55 and older living in the Myrtle Beach area of South Carolina who is considering downsizing, I understand that space and storage may be a concern for you. Hi, I'm Vicki Harvey, owner of Vicki Sells Grand Strand at eXp Realty. I'm here to tell you that downsizing doesn't have to mean sacrificing comfort and convenience. With the right property, you can have both a smaller footprint and plenty of space for your belongings. Today's homes are being designed with clever storage solutions and maximizing space in mind. From hidden storage spaces to efficient use of square footage, you'll be amazed at what's possible. Plus, a smaller home, you'll have less cleaning and maintenance to worry about. When you work with me and my team at Vicki Sells Grand Strand, we will take the time to understand your needs and find you the perfect home that offers you both space and storage you deserve. We'll show you the latest listings in your desired location and work with you to find the perfect home that meets your needs and lifestyle. So don't let space and storage concerns hold you back from downsizing. Let's work together to find the perfect home that gives you the freedom and the comfort you deserve. Give me a call today at 843-222-7800 to schedule your consultation. I'm Vicki Harvey, reminding you that it's not just a house, it's your home.